What's going on, everybody? My name's Kenny. If you remember my previous video, I was having a lot of issues with my Corsair fans and no amount of troubleshooting with updates or firmware or software changes with the Corsair IQ. I decided it's time to replace these Corsair fans. I'm sick of them flickering and flashing and looking stupid and not staying in their correct color schemes and just not functioning properly. In a later video, I'll probably do something more testing since the fans are removed and test them in a different rig, but I don't know what the deal is. And I must confess that I'm a complete moron, and I wanted to record this for you because I did so many funny things and stupid antics, but I ended up hitting the time-lapse mode instead of actually recording the video. Oh my god, I let myself down. I let you guys down. I'm so sorry. It was really funny. I had some good lines and gaffes and bloopers, but I mean, I guess it would have been a really long video anyway if I did the whole recording, but whatever. Here's a time lapse of me gutting out the Corsair stuff and installing the new stuff. Ooh, that is a lot of dust. Holy crap, I don't know if you can see that, but that is a lot of dead human skin and cat hair and feces. So I was super bummed out that I didn't get the recording done for you guys, but it was actually kind of fun to do this project and install these. It wasn't as bad as I thought and a little less tedious than I thought, but I got it done. I got it installed. I absolutely love the way they look. I still need to figure out some more tweaks as far as how to control the RGB a little bit better with the MSI Dragon Center, but I think Dragon Center might just be kind of an unfun way to do it. It doesn't seem very user-friendly as far as addressable RGB goes. Well, you guys, moment of truth time, I suppose. Wait, where do these cords go? Why are these unplugged? Anyway, whatever. Whoa! Hey! Hey! No shit, huh? All the fans are pushing. They're all on. They're all illuminated. That white is beautiful, actually. That's really pretty. All right, guys, we did it. It's running. It's installed. The new fans. No more Corsair shit. Other than these are. Oops. Oh, they turned off for a second. That's weird. These RGB strips on the bottom just to get a little extra luminescence. And in essence, we're done. We're installed. Everything's working. Yes. Hell yeah, you guys. That is sick. That wasn't that bad. Probably still need to do a little bit of cable management-y stuff. Hold on. They're very quiet fans. These guys are the same ones that are in the rear. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked with it. The white by itself actually looks really crisp on these things. They actually match these other non-name brand ones I have in here that are not Clear Masters. The color is beautiful. The white's beautiful. I might actually have to do that. Oh, well, you guys, it's all done. It's all settled in. It's running, and I'm happy. I think that's about it for this guy. I'll have to report back what I think about the fans in new detail, but there you go. There you have it. They're installed. They're running. They look good. We'll have to see what happens with the RGB stuff. I'll play with that and see if I can control it with the motherboard or how all that crap works. Otherwise, thank you so much for hanging out, watching with me, you guys. Appreciate you. Like, comment, consider subscribing if you're new here, and I'll catch you in the next one. So like I said, like, comment, consider subscribing if you think this stuff is cool. But let's take a look at what the RGB actually looks like on these fans. They just got it in kind of like a rainbow kind of cycling mode. And honestly, the colors are beautiful. The LEDs are very vibrant. I don't know what the deal is with the front fans. Sometimes they match, sometimes they don't. I don't know why or what's going on there, but I'm done with it for now. This is a long project in the works and the changing and doing, and I just was like, I'm kind of done with it. This is what it's going to be for now. We'll have to tweak it more, make more videos on it later, see if we can get this thing to be what I want it to be. Other than that, you guys, like, comment, consider subscribing. As I did say, if you're new here, we'll do what we can for you. Take it easy.